Thank you very much. Good morning. I assume that it's better if I share the presentation, but okay, it's there. Perfect. Thank you very much. Well, I work for the National University of Mexico. My field of research is coastal engineering, but I have the opportunity to lead a very large group that we started 5 years ago. We are trying to face all the challenges related to the harvesting of marine energy. In fact, we are working along the Mexican coast in both ocean, on the Gulf of Mexico and the Caribbean, and in the other side on the Pacific coast. And we are a very large group in terms of the people that is participating. We have been working around between 600 to 800 persons. In fact, our vast majority of people that is involved are students. We are only around 200 researchers and around 600 students working in the same direction. We are around 40 institutions in Mexico. Now we have several collaboration with other institutions. And I am very pleased that we were invited by you to try to strengthen this kind of collaboration. We are organized inside in teams that are working in specific topics, but at the end of the day, we have something like a matrix collaboration. Some of them are looking the resources, the resources evaluation. We have 6 groups, and we have another 10 groups that are working in cutting areas, something like ecology, social studies, grid integration, materials, components, numerical modeling, and things like that. I don't know if it's possible to move to the next slide to give some examples, because until I know, okay, thank you very much. One of the things that we are doing inside the group is from field work, numerical modeling, developing some technologies. We have several devices now in tier from 3 to 6 in terms to deploy. We are looking materials, biofouling, environmental assessment, and we have in several places some direct field measurement, like on the Caribbean Sea, the Gulf of Mexico, and in a couple of places in Ensenada and Manzanillo on the other ocean. Next one, please. And only to give you something like, as example, what we are doing in terms of environmental assessment. We are trying to look in one way how we can deploy marine energy harvesting devices in an environmental and social responsible manner. And I think we have some strength that can add value to this couple of networks that you already set up. Thank you very much. And if you have any question, I think with the time, some of my colleagues will present some of the results. Ismael Marino in terms of the currents, Marisa Martinez in terms of more details about what we are doing in terms of the environmental impact. Thank you very much, and good morning again.
Thank you, Rodolfo. We're very happy also to have CEMIE as part of this collaboration. I don't see any questions on the chat box right now, but if anyone has a question for any of the introductory speakers, you can put it in the chat box. We'll do it all at the end.